Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, today guys, I'm gonna bring you a crypto related video. Very good info for everyone, so stay until the end so that you can really grasp all of it. And it's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna show you how you can convert your cryptos in OKX. Imagine that you have already some crypto in whatever cryptocurrency it is, and you want to exchange it for another, okay? And I'm gonna give you the very simple step that you need to take to do that, right? Now, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a link for you to join me here on OKX and also on my main project at the moment, which is Beyond Infinity, so stay until the end so that you don't miss a thing, right? Now, guys, let's go to the video. Very simple. I'm already on my back office of my OKX account. All right. Now, I've got some USDT here available. Okay, I'm obviously on my computer, and when you have your available balance here, then all you need to do is click here on Convert, and then you simply need to swap to convert the crypto that you have available, the funds that you have available, and convert it to any other crypto that you want, right? Very simple. Now, in my case, I have got 19.1297 USDT, and I want to convert this amount to Bitcoin, so BTC, all right? And now, very simple it is. You just click here on Convert. Now it's going to give you it's going to convert with 0 fees and 1 BC. This is the exchange rate at the moment. Then you will get 0.0003281 BTC. Okay, and the code has expired. Refresh to get the later code. Click here to refresh. And now you have 10 seconds to click here again and to convert this amount of USDT into BTC. Okay, click on Convert. Let's see. So it has been converted. Okay, you can go here to View Assets, and now let's see how much I got here on BTC. Okay. So guys, very simple step. As you can see, I've got a little, because they charge a very tiny fraction on fees, because it was around 15 cents, okay, that I've lost with the conversion, but that's normal, okay, totally normal. When you do this type of transactions, it's always, you always have some types of fees, okay? So here it is, guys, how simple it is to convert your assets here on your OKX account. Okay, so simple, guys. Okay, if you want to join me here on OKX, also I have a link for you that I will leave on the description, also to join on my Beyond Infinity. Okay, so that you can get started and let's start making some money. Okay, don't below, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to notifications, and appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.